Hey everybody, my name is Trish Soyasu. I call myself Squiggle Mom. You can find me on my YouTube channel, Squiggle Mom and Friends. Today I'm playing a game I made. I call it the Makerspace at Osaka 2025 version of the Community Lemonade game. I play the game when I'm trying to do something that's hard and it's not obvious how I can accomplish it. Like any game, there's a challenge, roles, and rules. The challenge, I call it the gauntlet, is a number of possible outcomes for the game. For this version, having an accepted cohort at Osaka 2025 is the best possible outcome. The roles in the game are Game Master and Seeker. I am the Game Master. Seekers help me to play the game. As Game Master, I make the rules, and I can change the rules. Next, I will tell you what we will do at Osaka 2025. I will share the environment and tools that I am creating for social entrepreneurs. These are the Community Lemonade game, the Makerspaces, experiences, projects, and events, the Practical Microfactory that helps makers go from making one thing to make 10, 20, 100 of them. Then there is the Handmade Carnival, that is a distribution mechanism for the 10, 20, or 100 items that the maker has created. We will do all of these in addition to presenting an interactive makerspace that includes the classes, projects, equipment, tools of me and the cohort. The Makerspace can engage passing individuals through Lego play and demonstrations, but we can also have visitors build models and classes that create a progressively larger Lego display. Next, I would like to introduce Brian Hines. Brian is a master model builder working in the Lego medium, and he has supported me at Makersville locations on various occasions. I am sharing with you part of his portfolio and some of the occasions on which he supported me. Cohort member Chris White works in the Lego medium. He has helped me on multiple occasions. He developed, designed, and built Shoreline Village in Lego bricks, and that model will accompany us to Osaka 2025 so I can share with you where our makerspace is. Again.
Okay, so we've got Bryce Canyon on the left, Zion with the Virgin River coming through, the Meadow and the Sentinel at Yosemite National Park, Giant Sequoias at Sequoia National Park, Monument Valley at the Navajo National Monument, and the Delicate Arch at Arches National Park in Utah.
And around we have...
and then surrounded by the Shoreline Village micro-scale model.
And then on this side...
And we have baby spaceman scale classic space homage.
And oh, this is the baby spaceman.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that guy.
So they were new last year. They came with a collectible.
Oh my
thing.
gosh.
And there's a pink one coming out.
Paula Soisu is a STEAM educator and helps me to put the projects I create into STEAM focus.
All right, Bill. Pretty good. This is not a competition, not a team.
Okay, this is if it works, it's a miracle.
Yeah,
that's our
they showed up today.
If it works, it's a miracle.
And there are no rules on this. On this non-competition. Okay. All right.
Okay. You got 4 marbles in there, but that's okay.
Okay.
Ready? Okay. Are you ready? I haven't even tested the whole thing yet. Okay, you ready? You might start pouring.
Okay. Whoa! Where's the toothpaste? Ah! Good job. Good job.